coffee making sound. Where's Turbo?
Oh, it's in the leash. I don't know. Oh, now that's a rock.
Mom, she found a rock and she thinks it's the cicada.
Oh, no, there it is!
What's so wrong?
She's going after the rock. She's so stupid. There's a cicada, there's a rock. Oh, now she found it. No, she didn't.
The wrong thing.
Maybe I should get it out of the way so the cicada doesn't escape.
Oh, dumb. This is mine. Stop. This is not me. You're so dumb.
Crazy.
Look.
Where is it? Where is it? Oh, oh, there it is.
There it is. She's so dumb. She saw the little piece of mulch or whatever that stuff is.
She was wearing the mulch
And
out.
the cicada is right next to it. She didn't even see it.
Oh.